Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a company which is a market leader in logistics in the oil and gas sector, in the energy sectors. And why it is market leaders, we are going to see all the fundamentals. And in addition to fundamentals, we are also going to financials and the technical analysis of the stock to see how much potential is available in this stock. Let's start our discussion. So let me share my screen. So why this company is market leader in the logistics sector? Because their presence is in the whole supply chain. They source the oil and gas. They store it in the tank at different location, and they distribute it also through different logistics like pipelines and other sources. So that let me take you through a screener. And we are talking about Aegis Logistics Limited. So before going into the financials, let's talk about the fundamentals of the company. Aegis Logistics is in the business of import and distribution of LPG and storage and terminaling facility for LPG and chemical products. So as I told you, they are in the complete supply chain of logistics. They source also, and they store that liquid and gases, and they distribute also through different channels. So let's talk about the key points of Aegis Logistics. So Aegis Logistics Limited is the India's leading oil and gas and chemical logistic company. The company operates a network of bulk liquid handling terminal, LPG terminal, filling plants, pipeline, and LPG gas station to deliver products and services. The business model of the company operates in liquid logistics and LPG gas segment. Under the LPG segment, the company is present across the value chain of gas sourcing, logistics, and the distribution, as I mentioned. So from the market share or the contribution of the revenue from different product segment, the liquid logistics contributes 32% in the EBITDA, earning before interest, tax, and depreciation. So AGL provides import, export, logistics, and storage services for all types of liquid chemicals, petrol products, and vegetable oil. The company has the terminals in 6 different ports. So majorly their presence in all the major ports of India, that is Mumbai, Kandla, Pipavav, Bangalore, Haldia, and Kochi, with a total operational capacity of 729,000 kiloliters. Now, the LPG segment, which contributes maximum in their profit, is 68%. So the company has the presence across the entire value chain, starting from sourcing. Have a joint venture with Itochu that we will see the next part. So they have the presence in the entire value chain, from sourcing, terminaling, to finally distributing LPG to both industrial and retail clients. So their client base is a combination of industrial plus retail. So as gas sourcing remains the major contributor of revenue, but profit margins are small as company earns only a fixed sum for its services. Now let's talk about the JV which they have with the Itochu company, which is a Japanese MNC company which help them source LPG at cheaper price. So currently Aegis has a 15.5% market share in LPG import in India. So country like India, that 15.5% is a huge market share, and that is why it is one of the market leaders in terms of sourcing, storing, and distribution of the oil and gases. Now LPG retailing. So company operates its LPG retailing business through 129 auto gas stations in 10 states and has a network of 244 LPG distribution across 100 cities in 14 states. So LPG also operates 37 LPG bottling plants through they supply to both commercial and domestic LPG market. LPG retailing is the highest profit margin segment, and Aegis plans to increase their network to 200 gas stations. Again, from 129, they are planning to increase it to 200 auto gas station states, which is presently 10 states. So their plan of expansion is double in terms of the states, and from the auto gas station, it is 80 to 90%. Now let's talk about the storage terminals and pipeline. So Aegis operates their storage terminal from 6 different terminals located near 6 respective ports that we have already seen. So additionally, company has its own pipeline facility and transports gas via roadways and railways, as I told you earlier. So they have a strong client base. They have a diversified client base, as they tend to serve both industrial and the retail client also. So that list includes companies like Shell, Reliance, HPCL, BPCL, ONGC, HUL, Bombay Dyeing, and many more. They also provide the fuel to the ships, and they have the marine division also as a separate vertical. So this is all about the fundamentals of the company. Now let's talk about the financial to see how this company has performed over the year. So this market capitalization of Aegis Logistics is 8,000 crore company, and currently it is trading it is giving the ROCE of 16.6%, which is very good in numbers. Currently it is trading at 229 price. And now let's talk about the quarterly result and the profit and loss statement. So in December 2018, the revenue was 1320 crore, which has increased over the period of time till December 2019. And of course, during the pandemic, it has reduced because of the impact of the pandemic. And again, if you see, recently it has peaked during December 2020. And recently, the revenue has shown a sudden decrease because maybe from the supply and demand perspective. But even the revenue has decreased, there is no impact on the net profit part. So in December 2018, the net profit was 59, and it was consistent over the period of time. It has shown a negative net profit of minus 41. And these are the pandemic period. But recently, last 4 quarters, if you see, the net profit has consistent. Even the revenue has decreased from 1546 in December 2021 to recent revenue of 635. But the net profit is highest ever, which is 94 crore. That is a good sign. So again, coming back to profit and loss statement. So in March 2010, the revenue was 305 crores, which they have shown the consistent growth over the period of time. And March 2020 has shown the highest ever revenue, which is 7,183. And again, supply and demand gap, the revenue has decreased, which is currently 3,843. Now let's see the net profit. Revenue has decreased from 7,183 into 3,843 in March 2021. It has posted the highest ever net profit in March 2021 again, which is a good sign. Let's see the balance sheet. So company currently they have increased their reserves from 166 crore in March 2010 to 2,000 crore in recent quarter, that is September 2021. So again, this is one of the good sign as far as the balance sheet is concerned. From the borrowing part, so in March 2012, the borrowing was 2,109 crore, which they have reduced over the period of time, and currently it stands at 654 crore. So although they have the borrowing of 654, they have sufficient reserve to pay this borrowings in later stages, which they are consistently paying also. If you see in the interest in profit and loss statement, they are consistently paying their debt, reducing their debt over the period of time. So under balance sheet, if you see the other asset, they have the cash equivalent of 354 crore. So as far as the borrowings are concerned, they have the enough cash to repay their loan in the coming future. So they will be maybe debt free in the coming future. So now let's talk about the shareholding pattern. So promoter holds 58% total share in the company as on December 2021. There is a decrease from the shareholding pattern as far as promoters are concerned, but that is a marginal decrease, and that goes again into the strong hands, that is FIIs. So FIIs has increased their shareholding from 12% to 15% as on December 2021. And others, DII as public, has the stagnant shareholding from last 12 quarters. So this is all about the financials. Again, you have seen that company has posted consistent revenue and net profit over the years. And recently, even the revenue has decreased. They have posted the highest ever net profit. Now let's see the technical opportunity available in the Aegis Logistics. So this is the chart pattern of Aegis Logistics. So recently, Aegis Logistics has it was trading at all-time high at price level of 387. So 387 was the price, and recently it has corrected. It has corrected from July. It started corrected because of the sudden demise of their MD, Mr. Chanderia sir. So that is one of the reason of the correction in the stock, because he was the one of the driving force behind the success of this company. So the stock has corrected by almost 50%. So that is a huge correction, and suddenly it is started showing the upward movement. See what is the technical potential available in the stock. So Aegis Logistics recently has given the beautiful cup with handle pattern. So you can see this is the neckline, and from neckline, this is the cup, this is the handle, and this is the second handle. It has formed a smaller one. So this is the complex cup with handle pattern. And after that, the stock has shown the rally also. So let's see, as per the complex cup with handle pattern is concerned, what was the technical target. So if I can put it on the neckline, so the technical target was 408. It has almost touched, it has rallied up to 387, almost touched its technical target. But because of this sudden demise of their MD and the market correction from October month, the stock has corrected by 30-40%. So that is why currently, because the fundamentals and the financials are so good in this company, and we can see they have the expansion plan also in near future, we can easily see that company is growing over the period of time. So let's talk about from the current market level up to the recent all-time high, that is 387, the potential available is 70%. And up to the technical targets from the current market level up to 400 price level, the potential available is 81%. So there are two technical target here. One up to the all-time high, that is 387 price level with a potential gain of 71%. And the second target is 409 price level with a potential gain of 80%. So I can see these target definitely that is going to achieve in one and a half year. So when I say the target will achieve in one or one and a half year, this is not a buying recommendation, but this is how we can analyze the fundamental good stocks and see how much potential is available, and we can make our position and make our trade a successful trade. So I hope you have liked this video. So please hit the like button so that it can reach to maximum. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel so that you can get the updates on our fundamental and financial and technical analysis of different stocks and value picking and strategy in the stock market investment. Thank you. I will see you in next video.